I'm just gonna grab this one right here. Hello and welcome to In the Kitchen with Matt. I am your host, Matt Taylor. Today I have a super easy treat recipe for you. I'm gonna show you how to make chocolate covered peanut butter Ritz crackers. Super easy, super yummy, a great treat for the holidays. If I can do it, you can do it. Before I move on, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my new videos. Let's get started. Down below in the description box, you'll find a list of the ingredients and their amounts, but this is pretty simple to remember. First, I have a bowl of chocolate, and I'm using a combination of chocolate chips and almond bark. You could use whatever kind of chocolate that you want. And then I have some smooth peanut butter, and then I have some Ritz crackers. Super easy. All right, so what we're gonna do first is we're gonna take the Ritz crackers and we are going to put some peanut butter on them. And we're gonna make little sandwich cookies of Ritz crackers and peanut butter. And then so I'm just going to lay these out like this. However many of these that you wanna make. And then what we'll do is we'll take our peanut butter, and I'm just going to use a little cake spatula here, and then just put a dollop of peanut butter right there in the middle, depending on how thick you want the peanut butter. And I am putting on about a teaspoon of peanut butter per cracker. And if you don't want to use peanut butter, you could do this with Nutella as well in the center. Simple as that. And then now we'll take another Ritz cracker, and you're just going to gently, don't press it too hard, just gently press it down in the center, and it's going to spread out that peanut butter evenly. If you press it too hard, the cracker is liable to crack on you. And this is so awesome. It's just a really quick, no-bake treat that you can make for the holidays. Maybe you're looking for an addition to like a holiday plate of goodies that you want to give to your friends and neighbors. This would be a great addition to that little plate of desserts. Oh, see, I pushed a little bit too hard and cracked that one. It'll still be okay. And now it's time to melt the chocolate. You can do this in the microwave on bursts of 30 seconds and then stir. That's a lot of times I do it that way, and I normally show it that way on my shows. But I want to show you the double boiler method just because I don't show that as often. I usually just refer to it. And here we are over at the stovetop. The bowl is placed on a pot of water, and now the top of the water is not touching the bowl, bottom of the bowl at all. You don't want it to touch. And then as it heats, you can see that it's heating there. The steam is going to rise and hit the bowl. And then it will gently warm up that bowl. And I just have the heat set to medium on the burner. Also, a lot of times what I will do is I will add about a teaspoon of vegetable shortening to the chocolate. And that will help it to melt and be thinner, which just makes it easier to dip. Okay, so yeah, you want it nice and runny like that. All right, and now we can take this over to the counter and we can start dipping those Ritz cracker sandwiches. And then so we'll take one of these Ritz cracker sandwiches and we'll just place it right in there and then just push it down, cover it in chocolate. I like to use a fork because it helps to just drizzle the excess bottom off. And then put it right on top like that. I'm going to get this cracked one and just show you that even if it cracks, it's okay. And then you could also do different flavors. Like I like to do a combination of white chocolate ones and then these milk chocolate or dark chocolate ones. And for some of them, you might want to come in here with some nuts and put some nuts on there as well. And now I'm doing some white chocolate ones as well. And then maybe some sprinkles like that. And of course, you could also just leave these plain, just plain ones like these, and not do any additional toppings or sprinkles or anything. But there's just such a fun variety of things that you can do with these. And then let these set in the refrigerator for 15 to 20 minutes. And then you can come back in and drizzle on some chocolate if you want. Really cool. It just gives it a neat little classy look. Again, back into the fridge these go, 5 to 10 minutes. And once they have set, you can eat them. Super easy to do, simple ingredients. If I can do it, you can do it. I'm Matt Taylor. This has been another episode of In the Kitchen with Matt. Thank you for joining me. As always, if you have any questions, comments, or requests, put them down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thumbs up, down in the corner, press it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Take care. Time for me to dive into one of these and show you what it looks like. I'm just going to grab this one right here. So good. If you like peanut butter cups and you like Ritz Crackers, you are going to love these.